This is day 8 of the 30-day Aussie English challenge. I want you to learn one Aussie expression and try to use it today. The expression you're going to learn today is bit of a mission. So you can say, it's a bit of a mission. Here it is in a sentence. You can say, it's a bit of a mission finding parking here on weekends. It means that something is very difficult, it's hard work, a hassle. It might be inconvenient. It makes things a bit more difficult. Bit of a mission.